Los Angeles fires today. Strong winds escalate California. Firefighting challenges. Southern California is facing an uphill battle as powerful winds surge through Los Angeles, intensifying the ongoing wildfire crisis. Gusts of up to 70 miles per hour are fanning flames across the region, making containment efforts nearly impossible. Firefighters are racing against time to control the blazes, which have already scorched over 40,000 acres and forced thousands to evacuate. The unpredictable winds are spreading embers to new areas, threatening more homes and businesses. Officials have issued red flag warnings, urging residents to stay alert and prepared for potential evacuations. With dry conditions and no relief in sight, the situation remains dire. California's resilience will be tested as the fight against these relentless fires continues.